Hello friends, welcome back to our channel ASAR. Today we will talk to you about our Uzbek traditions and customs. Uzbek people have big families, including few generations, grandparents, parents, and grandchildren. Grandchildren spend lots of time with their grandparents and enjoy their interesting stories. And we often help our grandparents to clean their house, to plant the trees and flowers, and feed the animals.
Saksa ekiyoruz köprü. Selagi sekali sabah kurjilla, tuna pemalu tuna kebayang bisa. Amalar yoksa da olmaz bilsen. Selama bisa bukan yoksa kita terus sekat kita ekor bisa. Ondan bilemem.
Welcome to ASAR! Welcome to Uzbekistan!